Today on Knowing the 925, we are in Discovery Bay at Vin Alegro. Let's go check it out. As local realtors, my team and I are often asked about the places in our town. I want to share some of our favorite businesses with you. I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate, and this is Knowing the 925. Okay, hi guys. Thank you so much for having me here. Tell me a little bit about the place.
Well, welcome to Vin Alegro. Meet Robert Rose, myself, Glenn. We are the two owners of this new establishment. We've been here now for about 4 months. We just wanted to have something that was different. 5-star type restaurant, upper end, where you truly have a championship chef. There is no freezer in this place. Chef Robert is out procuring the goods that he's going to cook on a daily basis.
Wednesday nights through Sunday, we have a brand new menu which feature tapas, small plates, a couple salads, and then of course 4 to 5 entrees every single night.
We have taken the gloves off, so to speak, and allowed him to present his amazing dishes.
Where food is waiting for you at other establishments, here you have to wait for the food. Nothing is frozen, everything is fresh. Menu's tiny, limited quantities. I'm cooking for you. I mean, once you really think about that, it's crazy because at other places there could be 7, 8, 10 different cooks, line cooks, sous chef, everyone making things for the masses. It's passion in the plate. That's what it is.
We have what we call a secret menu. He'll call me at 11 o'clock at night and go, I have an idea. And that idea becomes the special menu that we put on social media. They're limited quantities, so you want to come early to get them.
Welcome to my tiny kitchen, and I'm gonna make something amazing for you today. We're gonna do braised beef short ribs, and we're gonna serve that over crispy polenta, and then finish it with some really crispy Brussels sprout leaves.
That is so good. Oh my goodness. Chef Robert outdid himself on this. This is amazing. The flavors all work together so good. You have to come check it out. Vin Alegro here in Discovery Bay. The food is amazing. They change the menu every week, so you want to keep up on it and come by time and time again. We'll see you next time on Knowing the 925. Bye.